Hi, I'm Michael with HOA Guru. This tutorial will show you what to do after you have downloaded your CSV file that was created using HOA Guru's mailing label feature. We will use Microsoft Word to import and print your mailing labels. Let's get to it. First thing we'll do is start with a blank Microsoft Word document. We're going to come up to the menu, click on Mailings. In Mailings we have Start Mail Merge. Click on that, and then you'll see an option, Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. All right. Then we have to pick our document type. We're going to come over here and pick Labels. All the way at the bottom it says Starting Document. We're going to click on that so it uses this document. And then we're going to come up and click on Label Options. In the label options, we're going to pick your label vendor. So in this case, I'm using an Avery one. It's called Avery US Letter, and I'm going to use 5160 labels. You can use whatever labels you want. The next step is to pick your recipients. So we're going to come down over here and click on Select Recipients. You can click this twice to bring up the dialog, or you can click the Browse button above. When your dialog comes up, just find your file on your computer. The default name for the file is mailinglabels.csv, but you might have renamed it. Select that file. This will show you what columns are in your file, and you have other options if you need to use them. Alright, at this point, now we need to arrange our labels, and down to the right over here we're going to click on Arrange Your Labels as the next step at step 3. We're going to come up here and we need to add an address block, because that's what we're doing. We're doing address labels. When you click on address block, you will see a preview of what it would look like in there. Now I had already done this previously. Yours will probably be blank. If it's blank, you need to click on Match Fields right here. And then in here you can pick what columns in your CSV file are the same as first name, last name, and so on. Address 2, if you don't have any of those, you don't need to use that at all. And when you have everything matched, click OK. And then click OK again right here. After you've inserted that address block, you'll see it is only on the first record. We need to have the address blocks on all records, so we come over to here and click on Update All Labels. This will add the address block to all the other records. Then we can come down and click on Preview Your Labels, and when you preview them, you'll see there's a lot of space between the lines, so we can get rid of that, especially if you had an address too. So do Control A to highlight all of your records, and then right click on one of them and select Paragraph right here. And in here there's a checkbox you can click on, Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. Click that and then OK, and we reduce the space. We could also right click on a label and click on Font, and we can change the font size so that we make sure it doesn't run off the end of any of these labels. And now it looks a little better. Once you have your labels formatted the way you would like, you need to come down to the bottom here. Step 5, it says Complete to the Mail Merge. Once you do that, you can come up here and click on Print. You can select whether you want to print all or just some of your labels. Click OK. Your printer dialog will come up. You can select whatever options you need for that. So that ends this tutorial. I hope it was very helpful, and have a wonderful day.